Springs, Colorado. Couple number 8, Dave and Marty Bender, Lakewood. And couple number 9, from Denver and Longmont, Scott Garcher and Kimberly Newheim. Thank you, President. Let's waltz.
To show you the way that I feel, please don't say I'm wasting my time. I've got nothing but time, so I'll do all that I can to take that ghost of a chance. The sunlight, the moonlight are beyond my control, and there are stars in the
then we'll talk. Don't make me come too close. You know I hate to fly. I ain't been back to Oklahoma, baby, since you said goodbye. I heard a rumor this week. I hope to God it's a lie. You know how much I love you. Don't make me come too close. You have been eating right out of your hand. I was your genuine cowboy man. You threw me over for another guy.
Nice job. Heat number 3, the cattle call.